Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PandaDoc workspace for document templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize your PandaDoc workspace for document templates, begin by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. In the left-hand menu, click on the Templates option. You'll see a prompt to create a new template or manage existing ones. Choose the option to create a new template. A new page will open, allowing you to select a document type. Choose the document type that suits your needs, such as a proposal, contract, or quote. Once selected, you'll be directed to the Template Builder. In the Template Builder, focus on the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the Settings icon and click on it. In the Settings menu, locate the Authorization section. Here, you will be able to set up the authorization for your workspace. Enter the required authorization settings based on your organization's needs. Ensure that you include all necessary user roles for access to templates. Once you've filled in the authorization details, click the Save button. After saving, return to the Template Builder. You can now begin customizing your template content. Add any necessary fields such as text boxes, checkboxes, or dates. After customization, preview your document to ensure everything appears correctly. Once satisfied, save your template. You can now use this authorized template for your documents in PandaDoc. Your workspace is successfully authorized for using document templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.